Hello, in this video we are going to learn all about the social learning platform Flipgrid. Flipgrid is a very interesting platform where learners and educators can come together and share their ideas, stories and work through video responses. So to log into Flipgrid, we type flipgrid.com on any browser and go to the home page of Flipgrid. Here, for the first time, the educators need to sign up. So you click on Educator Sign Up and you will be prompted to sign up with your Google ID or your Microsoft ID. You can choose either of them. In case you already have an existing account, you click here at this place and you can again choose your Google login or your Microsoft login. Now once you log in through your ID, you are taken to a page which is your admin page of Flipgrid, from where you can manage all your grids and all the student responses. So at the top you see tabs like My Grids, Mixtapes, Grid Pulse, Disco Library, My Activity and so on. Now here a grid is your community of learners. So you can add as many grids as you want, and topics are discussion starters and prompts within grids. So to create a new grid, you click on Add New Grid, and here you have to name your grid. So we type a suitable name for a grid, for example, the language grid, where our topics may be focused only on language. Now the grid type is required. We select the school email so that only students with the school email account can join in here and outsiders cannot join in. A flip code is generated automatically and this code is required for students to join to the grid. We click on Next and we add the school email so that the students with this domain name can connect to the grid. So this is the domain name, and after this we click on Next. You can add as many domain names as you want to in case you are going to work with different schools altogether. Once we click on Next, it shows our grid is ready, and you can copy the grid's link and share it with others, or you can do that later. So from here we click on Go to your grid. Now this is the theme picture for the grid, and that is the cover picture, and I can edit the cover picture by clicking on the edit button, and at the bottom, right at the bottom, you can see different cover pictures there. I can choose one and then update my grid. Once that's updated, you see the cover page has been updated now, and I can edit more things in the grid by clicking on the edit button. I can change the name, I can add more domain names to the school email, and here I have the state of the grid. Now this is in an active state, meaning that you can add topics and so on. A hidden grid will not be visible to anyone. We can opt to receive notifications daily or weekly or with every new video or never. Here we can allow the students to download their recording and then share their recording with others. On the right hand side, the option of grid followers allows the students to receive email notifications when new topics are added to the grid. So if you turn that on, students will receive notifications. If you want captions for the videos, then you can choose from here. There's a list of languages you can choose from here, or you can simply write none. as we personalized the grid before with our own cover page, now we click on update grid to update all these details. Now once this is done, you see that in the grid there is a default topic there already, that says hello, say hello on Flipgrid. So this is created by Flipgrid automatically. This is one basic topic that is there. It's a pinned topic, and for every grid that you create, this topic will be there. Now after this, we need to see how we are going to add new topics to the grid. Before that, you see here that this is an active grid, and there is a topic image that appears here that has been provided along with the topic. If we want to view the topic as a student, we could click on this view and it will open another page where the student view will appear. I can again log in with the same Microsoft ID, because if you remember, students can join in only with that domain name which was provided, and then I click and I've logged in. So this is what the student will get to see, the learners. And from here, this is the topic heading, and this is the picture, the jiffy that has been provided, and the description of the topic is there. Now here there is a button with a plus sign which enables us to record a response. So this is the place from where students will record a response. As I said before, this is an active topic. It can be made inactive by choosing the word frozen. Frozen means that no more responses will be accepted, and it can also become a hidden topic, so nobody has access to the topic. Nobody can see the responses of students in that topic. We can share the grid code from here. So this is the topic code. So the students who get to join this topic will be a part only of this topic if they use this code to join. Normally, we share the grid code so that all the topics that are there can be accessed by all the students. The actions drop down shows many actions that can be done. The first one is edit topic. You can delete the topic, you can duplicate it, and you can even hide it. So the edit topic has got a shortcut button here as well. Now we are going to see how to add a new topic. Once you click on add a new topic, the topic page comes up, the blank format. Here you need to give a topic title. So you can plan your title in advance and then just type in your topic title. So here for a sample, we are going to take the topic, my duties towards my parents. We add a question or a stimulus text here. This means that we will write a question based on which the student can record his or her response and then post it. So here I am giving a prompt saying express your opinion and feelings about why you should obey love and respect your parents. So we expect the student to tell us in their opinion, in their words, why they feel that this is important. Okay, once we give the discussion prompt, after that we just scroll down slightly and you see there is a provision for us to set the recording time. By default it is 1 minute and 30 seconds. We can change the time according to our topic. A maximum of 10 minutes can be given and a minimum of 15 seconds. The optimum time for a recording depending on a topic should be 45 seconds to 1 minute. So we choose this 1 minute. On the right hand side you have video moderation. Now video moderation indicates when you don't want the student responses to appear straight away. You want the educator to first take a look, approve it, and then activate the video. So if you turn this on, you will see that this video appears as a moderated video. So student responses will not be posted straight away. It's always better for videos to be moderated. And then from here we can choose to add any of the resources which can act as a focus to engage the students. It can be an image, it can be a video, it can be a collection of web links through Wakelet. It can be you can record your own video and upload, and so many other options are there. So we are going to try to upload an image for our topic. So we click on upload image, and here we need to click in this box so that we can upload our own image. Once we click here, we'll be taken to the file manager window from where you can choose your file if you've saved it already. Right, the file has appeared here. I just crop it according to my requirement, and then once the image is cropped, this gets added to my topic focus. Once we've set everything, then we just simply click on create topic. We'll come to more options later. We create the topic. This is the topic code, and this can be shared with students later if you want to invite students only for that topic. So this is the topic. It has got 0 responses because it's just been created. So let us edit the topic a little bit more and see what else we can add here. So you go back to the grid and you see now there are 2 topics. The one that we just created and the one that was already there by default. So this hand sign shows there that the topic is moderated, and that's the topic. It shows that there are 0 videos so far, there are 0 responses. This is an active topic, and I edit the topic from here because I need to add some more details. Now this crosshair can be used to move or reorder our topics. If we have many topics, then this crosshair can be easily used to just drag and reorder the topics, rearrange them. You can make the topic active, frozen, or a hidden topic, and once it's hidden, it will not be visible to anyone else. So we make it frozen, and this particular status says that the topic will stop accepting responses, but the responses can be viewed. Now we go to editing some more details in this. So we just click on edit details. So we can add a topic tip here. Now the topic tip means some important instructions for the students. A topic tip simply can be look into the camera while speaking, or speak slowly and clearly. You may add a valid link here as an attachment, and you can have OneNote links, you can have Google Docs, YouTube links, etc. here. And this is the status of the topic, the one which we could set from the main topic window. This is the same thing, you can set it from here also. The launch and freeze dates are very important because we need to set dates when the topic needs to be launched, and also the freeze date for some topic. So by default the launch date is the same date as the date the topic is created, and here the freeze date can be a date which comes later. That means we can give a week's time or maybe 10 days time for the student to complete the topic and upload their responses. Here we can also change some video features, so we can allow the student to upload selfies and videos. We can restrict them and ask them to upload only selfies or only videos and so on. On the right hand side we have a provision for allowing the student to edit the video and rearrange their video clips, so they can trim, they can modify the video clips once they have finished the recording. And after that we can allow the students to write a specific title for their individual video clips, and here they can also include a link. At the bottom here you can see the video count. If you want the view count to be displayed, then you click on that view count and you enable it. And you can also enable student to student replies, or you can disable that, so the student can get the facility of communicating with their own responses about the video responses uploaded by other students. And here at the bottom you have some rubrics which we'll talk about later, and once you finish everything you need to click on update grid. So you see the topic has been updated, and now the status is scheduled because we have given a later date, launch date, so it is scheduled. And once we click on the student view, it will say coming soon, the topic will be available on this particular date. Now we go to the active topic and we are going to see how the student will record his or her own response in the next segment. So they click their ID to log in, they click their account, and once they click their account, they'll be brought to this page, and here they simply click on the plus button here to record a response.